India's quest for freedom was a long and arduous journey, spanning over 200 years. Let's start with the early resistance against British rule. The Revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, was a major uprising that shook the foundations of British control in India. In 1885, the Indian National Congress was formed, providing a platform for Indians to voice their demands and aspirations. Initially, the Congress sought gradual reforms, but over time, it became the driving force for complete independence. In the earlier Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak were the part of the National Indian Congress. Two significant movements led by Mahatma Gandhi, the Non-Cooperation Movement, 1920-1922, and the Civil Disobedience Movement, 1930-1934. The Non-Cooperation Movement was launched on the 5th of September 1920 by the Indian National Congress, Inc., under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. In September 1920, in Congress session in Calcutta, the party introduced the Non-Cooperation Program. The effects of non-cooperation on the economic front were more dramatic. Foreign goods were boycotted, liquor shops picketed, and foreign cloth burnt in huge bonfires. The import of foreign cloth halved between 1921 and 1922, its value dropping from 102 crore rupees to 57 crore rupees. And later, Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement due to various incidents of violence perpetrated by the masses, especially the Chauri Chura incident in 1922 where the people clashed with the police, setting a police station on fire. In the year 1930, under the leadership of M.K. Gandhi, the civil disobedience movement began. The Salt Satyagraha was a mass civil disobedience movement initiated by Mahatma Gandhi against the salt tax imposed by the British government in India. He led a large group of people from Sabarmati Ashram on the 12th of March 1930 till Dandi, a coastal village in Gujarat, to break the salt law by producing salt from seawater. World War II and the subsequent weakening of British control created an opportunity for India to push for independence. The Quit India movement in 1942 marked a final, all-out effort to end British rule. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India achieved independence, marking the end of a long and difficult struggle. The country was partitioned into two nations, India and Pakistan, leading to significant upheaval and migration. The Indian freedom struggle left a lasting legacy of resilience, unity, and the power of nonviolent resistance. It continues to inspire movements for justice and equality around the world.